Welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Here are the top 5 EU multiple socket of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Lehotpia EU A01 EU Multiple Socket. The Lehotpia EU A01 Power Strip is a versatile wall-mounted multi-tap with independent switches for each outlet, ensuring safety and convenience. It features an EU AC plug, USB-C charging port, and a built-in network filter for stable performance and device protection. Ideal for home or office use, the compact design saves space while providing excellent functionality. The independent switches allow energy savings, and the USB-C port ensures fast charging for modern devices. Overall, a reliable and practical solution for multitasking power needs. Number 4. PHONEPACE EU Multiple Socket. The PHONEPACE EU plug power strip is a reliable and efficient extension cable with a 2-meter length, featuring 3 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port for fast charging. Its network filter ensures stable power delivery while protecting connected devices from surges. The compact design makes it perfect for home or office setups, supporting multiple devices simultaneously. The inclusion of USB and Type-C ports adds versatility, making it a convenient choice for modern charging and power needs. Number 3. TESSAN TS323C GR EU Multiple Socket. The TESSAN TS323C GR EU plug power strip is a compact and versatile 6-in-1 solution, perfect for home or office use. It features 3 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The Type-C port supports fast charging, making it ideal for modern gadgets. Its sleek design fits neatly into any space, and the integrated safety features provide surge protection. A practical, reliable, and space-saving option for efficient power management. Number 2. TESSAN TS307C GR EU Multiple Socket. The TESSAN TS307C GR Multiple Socket Power Strip is a versatile and space-efficient power solution. It offers 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port, making it ideal for charging multiple devices simultaneously. With a 2-meter extension cord, it provides flexibility for various setups, while the wall-mounted design saves space and keeps cables organized. The fast charging capability and built-in safety features ensure reliable performance for home or office use. A practical and efficient choice for modern power needs. Number 1. TESSAN TPS03DE GR EU Multiple Socket. The TESSAN TPS03DE GR Tower Power Strip is a space-saving and efficient solution for powering multiple devices. With its vertical design, it features multiple outlets and USB ports, making it ideal for home or office setups. The 2-meter extension cable adds flexibility, while the surge protection ensures the safety of connected devices. Its compact tower design reduces clutter and is perfect for charging smartphones, laptops, and appliances. Durable and practical, this power strip is a reliable addition to any workspace. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.